How to replace a formatter board in a Designjet 800 PS printer. This is your formatter board with hard drive. Flipping it over, this is the memory chip that HP uses. It comes in two sizes, 64-bit, 128-bit. It's got some clips that holds that in place. You pop those clips out, the chip comes out, it's replaceable. Here's your printer. Now on the left side is the electronics module. It's the side where the power cord is. Okay, typically there's two slots on the electronics module. One has the Jet Direct card, which is your network plug, and then your formatter board slides into the other slot. If you've got a defective one with a 05:10 error, this is where you locate it to pull it out, and then it locks into place like so. So your slots, two slots, are occupied with the Jet Direct card and the formatter board with hard drive. Okay, to go into service mode to test your formatter board, press the on button, and then on the display panel press the enter and up keys together. When you hear a beep, you can release the keys and watch the process bar as it initializes. Now you press the down arrow key, press enter. I can't see it too well, but the selection is printer information. Press enter. Gives you details on the printer. And what you're looking for is, it says formatter, firmware version, hard disk, firmware version. If you can see a corresponding version number with the formatter and the hard drive, and also the memory RAM, then the formatter board's been replaced successfully. It's going to function properly. And then hit the cancel key, get you back to service tools, and now you have to cycle the power one more time and power up normally, and then the printer will come up to a ready state and be ready to start printing again.